Hey guys, Matt from Just Wrench It here, and if you're looking at the thumbnail, it is correct. I quit my job. Now, I did do the right thing, and I put in my 2 weeks notice. This is my last week at the place that I currently work at. My last day will be Friday, and then Monday, I start a new opportunity with a new company. I'm still going to be a technician, but I'm doing a very different side of things for a company that does a completely different type of work. So it's going to be less heavy in some aspects on the technical side, more motors and things like that, those kind of drive systems. So, not a lot of robots, to my understanding, if any at all. And yeah, it should be better. Obviously, there's a reason why I decided it was time for a change. I didn't see a whole lot of future with the company that I was with. I'm close to my earning ceiling, and I figured I'd take a look out there and see what was available. And through a little bit of searching, I found a company that wanted to employ me at a higher starting wage than my earning potential at the place that I'm currently at. So that's encouraging first and foremost. Um, the fact that it's a different kind of work, I think, kind of intrigues me. I'm hoping that it's not, you know, boring. I'm sure that it won't be in a lot of aspects. It's just I'm used to dealing with a lot of different kinds of systems and pretty much every machine's different. And from what I gather, a lot of what I'm going to be working on is going to be the same or similar type of equipment. So it's definitely going to be a change. Hopefully, once I get these systems down, uh, then it should be cake work, so to speak, as far as the knowledge and knowing the machines and how they function and what types of symptoms mean, what kind of problems. So I think it's going to be good in the long run. Only time will tell, and that's a very nerve wracking thing about switching jobs. It seems like it was a really bad timing just after the wedding and everything. I actually put my 2 weeks in my first day back from the honeymoon. So that was kind of maybe a little shitty. I don't know. I mean, it's what needed to happen to uh, be available to the next employer. So that's what I did. What does this mean for the channel? I don't know yet. I do not know my schedule. The place that I'm going to is something that's getting started up and ramping up now. So, to my knowledge, I'm getting in on the ground floor. Hopefully, I can get um, a decent schedule. I'm on an off shift now where I'm at, so even if I'm on an off shift, it's not much change. The schedule should give me theoretically some more free time. They're talking about 4 days on um, and a couple of days off. So hopefully that pans out and I get a little more free time to do videos and all the other things that life brings. But I don't think it's going to slow the channel down too much. Obviously, it's winter here, and I don't have heat in my garage. I was looking at solutions for that today. I might buy a kerosene heater. The electric out there is not much. I want to say I'm stressed to run too much. Like I ran my welder and a heater last winter, and I popped a fuse. So I think I'm limited to like 20 amps out there, pretty much total. So that's unfortunate. So if you guys have any solutions or suggestions for garage heating, let me know. That'll help me do more videos. Obviously, I can move some of them inside, product reviews, and things like that, which, if you are still watching, very shortly I will be doing a review of the Ulsa Tool Backpack. They were nice enough to send me, I'm kind of guessing, as more of like a wedding present. Me and Mark at Ulsa Tools were conversating about the extractor set a bunch. They wanted to get my thoughts on it and uh, ways it could be improved if so, and things like that. And so through those correspondence, I had mentioned that I was getting married. So I'm guessing, as a gesture of good faith and appreciation of some sort, they sent me out the tool backpack, which that thing is awesome. As far as I can see right now, I will give you an in-depth review coming up soon. But yeah, that's where we're at currently. Um, so hopefully the channel doesn't suffer too much. I'm trying to get some more Copart kind of auction car shopping stuff on here, trying to get away a little bit from some of the specific tool stuff. I noticed that I was kind of getting a little more into the tool community as opposed to what I originally started my channel for, which was car rebuilds and repairs. And that's partly because with the wedding and everything going on, I don't have a budget right now to buy another project car. I'm working on the truck. That's still a work in progress. There'll be more videos going on there, but I don't really have any wrecked vehicles to repair at the moment, and probably won't for the foreseeable future until at least I get that done and kind of open up my options a little bit as far as convincing the wife to let me buy another vehicle. But hopefully, you will see me just about as frequently, just about as regularly. I do have a new pile of stuff for giveaways, and I ordered something today for you guys. I'll probably review it before I give it away, but I'm going to give it away. It will be in time for Christmas, and for all you technicians out there, industry guys doing service work, I think this will be a pretty good prize. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, I would appreciate the well wishes and the good luck. Switching jobs is something that I try not to do now in my old age, and I did pretty good where I was at, but I thought it was time for a change, and we will see how this goes. Hopefully for the best for all aspects of the transition, but I will give you guys an update on that, I'm sure, once I get into it a little bit. But that's what I got for today, guys. I just figured I'd share that information with you and let you know of the goings on in Wrench-It Land. Alright, guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye.